curious whether the Scented Upholstery Deodorizer lives up to its promises or if it's just another product that falls short. This deodorizer claims to effectively eliminate bad odors from all types of furniture, be it fabric, leather, or microfiber, while replacing those smells with a rich, long-lasting scent that's safe to use around your home. After putting it to the test, I found that it did manage to freshen up my upholstery to some extent, giving a pleasant aroma that was noticeable right after application. However, the scent's longevity was somewhat underwhelming, fading faster than I hoped, and it struggled to completely remove some stubborn, deeply ingrained odors. One thing I appreciated was the simplicity of the process. Just shake, sprinkle, wait, and vacuum, which made it easy to use without any complicated steps. The product boasts compatibility with multiple fabric types, which sounds great for versatility, but I was concerned that there's no ingredient list available anywhere. This lack of transparency leaves questions about how safe it really is, especially for households with children or pets where safety is a top priority. Another red flag is that on the company's website, all the reviews are overwhelmingly positive, with little to no presence of feedback on trusted third-party platforms, making it hard to fully trust the hype. Overall, while the Scented Upholstery Deodorizer can provide a mild and temporary scent boost and works well enough as a quick fix, it doesn't quite deliver on completely banishing odors or offering lasting freshness. So if you're after something with clear ingredients, proven results, and longer-lasting effects, this might not be the perfect choice, but it could still serve as a decent option for light odor refreshment.